Johnny Gomes first up against Trevor Rosenthal, the new closer for the Cardinals. And you're just going to see more heat from another young right-hander, from the 22-year-old Waka. Then 2 innings from the 22-year-old Carlos Martinez. That's outside at 97. Gomes hitless tonight. And a strikeout starts the inning. Had only 3 this postseason prior to tonight. Saltalamacchia takes a strike in that 3-run 7th inning.
Both the tying and the winning run right now. Go ahead run.
More than any other catcher in the game this year. A strikeout for out number 2. And another 98-mile-an-hour fastball from Rosenthal, who's done nothing but come in and throw heat. Hit over 300 and takes 95-mile-an-hour fastball for ball 1. That's on the inside corner, ball and a strike. Nava batting for Stephen Drew. The 1-1 on the outside corner, and Rosenthal could end this game with an exclamation point by striking out the side. Struck out the side, and the Cardinals win game 2 by a final of 4-2.